Hey, it's Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Wednesday, May 2nd, 2018. Another losing day for me on the inventory day. And I've made a new hard and fast rule on inventory. And this is the rule. This is the hard and fast rule until otherwise, unless I tell you otherwise. If you have a day that you see federal funds rate and FOMC. Now, let me give you a little history about this date. I used to trade it when I was a bond trader. I used to trade it when I was a stock trader. I used to trade it when I was a gold trader, and I got away in each of those markets. I got away from trading the day that I saw federal funds rate FOMC statement. I would trade after the release, but I would never trade before. I would wait until the release of the report would come out. The only problem is with that day in the funded account, and probably the only reason that I've traded this day is that the combine allows you to trade it, but you're not allowed to trade it in the funded account. Well, you're allowed to trade prior, but they stop you trading before it, and then they hold you, don't let anyone make a trade, usually until about 20-30 minutes after the release of the FOMC statement. So if you're a report related based trader, it doesn't pay to sit around and wait. So as a funded trader at Top Step Trader, it's going to be a day that I'm going to take the day off. I'm not going to trade it, period. It's going to be an X day. Go do anything other than trading. So in other words, don't turn on the computers, don't trade it, don't worry about this day. Give it up. Give it to the birds. Let the birds have it. I know from my inventory strategy, there's two things on CLPIT strategy that don't work well as an overall. One is a day like this where you have the FOMC statement and the federal funds rate coming out, especially if it coming out on a Wednesday or a Thursday. So do not trade. From this point forward, do not trade the CLPIT. Those that are trading the inventory strategy, stay away from trading inventories on a day that you see FOMC or federal funds rate. I've tried this now going on 2+ years, and I've lost more than I've won on this day. It's a day that I'm no longer willing to give to the market anymore. There's no rhyme or reason to it. It goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways. I mean, today, if you look at the video, you know, I thought it would go up into the 50-73 range. It did exactly what I thought, but I couldn't really take advantage of it because the market was looking like it was going to head down. It went down to a low of 66.96, and we never saw any lower when I was losing the money. And it just bam, bam, bam. No matter which way you went, it just wasn't one of those days that either I could guess right, and I guess in the fact it's becoming a guessing game on federal funds day, and I don't like to guess. I would rather go to the casino and guess on blackjack and get a drink or two and listen to some music or something than try to guess what the market's going to do on a day like today. We had a surplus, a huge surplus in the inventories today. 6 million surplus. It missed its forecast by huge numbers, and you would think that would send the market down, but no, it was so manipulated at the beginning. Now, what will it go down after the fact? Well, maybe if you waited for the federal funds frickin' rate to come out and then trade it, then the market probably tanks the rest of the day. Who knows what? But I can tell you this. I can tell you why I'm losing my money. I'm losing my money because I keep thinking we're going to hit that 66666 number again. I said 5 6s there, and I lost the funded account because of it, and now I lost the combine, and now I'm within what, $600 of losing the second combine because I keep thinking we're going to break through a level that just is not ready to be broken through. So that's the rule. CLPIT strategy. There's 2 days that I'm no longer going to trade the inventories on. One, if it's a holiday and it comes out Thursday at 11, well, I'm going to sit back and put that on the maybe category. But the definite no, if you see on the inventory day or a trading day for this matter from this point forward, FOMC day, federal funds rate, it's no longer a trading day. So I know that I wouldn't trade the crude oil market in front of just a normal trading day that I saw FOMC federal funds rate. I used to think that we could get a 3P target inside a range before it would settle down. Well, that thinking is just not correct, at least not yet. Now, maybe it'll change its little mind and start being a trend-worthy day, but I highly doubt it. I know for a fact in the bonds and the stocks, when I used to trade ZB and ZN, when I used to trade ES and YM and Russell and all the other markets, when I traded gold, the GC, and any other markets that I've ever traded that I saw the federal funds rate FOMC day, it's not been a profitable trading day for me in front of the report. And we're talking 20 plus years. So if it's not profitable, why do I think it should have been profitable trading the crude oil market? Because it's an energy-based market that's not beholden to the federal funds rate? No, there's too much manipulation in a market movement today, and I am not smart enough to be patient and wait for a good signal inside a day like today. I give up the money too quick thinking that I'm going to miss a move, because I know the market's going to move normally and off of that report. So if the market and the forecast, and now it's down 67.14. So it's a market that I'm done talking about it. It's over. It's over. It's done. Let's see what the rest of the week gives me. Hopefully I can pull this frickin' account back up and start making some money in it. Get a trend-worthy day. At some point, somewhere, somehow, I'm going to get into a nice trend and be able to pull out of a hole. But it's certainly not going to be on FOMC federal fund rate day. It's no longer a trading day for me. It's a day to go to Bob Evans. It's a day to go to Cracker Barrel. It's a day to take my wife out for breakfast or whatever. It's a day to go chop a tree down. It's a day to go mow the grass. It's a day to go walk around a track or something. It's a day to do anything other than sit in front of this computer and lose more money. That although it's well, skin in the game right now. I got skin in the game, yeah. But it's not me losing $500, but yeah, it hurts to hit that $100 every time you have to reset an account. I don't like doing it. At some point, you would think that, you know, I don't know what I might as well go outside and start running into the brick wall head first, because that's about as much pleasure as I'm getting at trading this day. I might as well get a little pain while I'm doing it and get some physical pain. Go out, get in a 3-point stance, and go head first into the brick wall, because that's what today is all about. God bless. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye for now.